Today, during your phonics word study lesson, you practice writing uppercase cursive letters again. Today, you practice writing the letter Y, Z, V, X, W, T, F, I, and J. For your practice today, you are going to write either on a piece of paper or in your reader's notebook, whichever your teacher prefers, one line of each of those uppercase cursive letters. So one line of uppercase cursive Y, one line of Z, one line of V, one line of X, one line of W, one line of T, one line of F, one line of I, and one line of J. Then you're going to create one line of each group of uppercase cursive Y, Z, V, X, W. Another line, uppercase and cursive T, F, I, J, X. Another line of uppercase and cursive X, W, F, I, J. Another line of uppercase and cursive Z, X, V, F, I. Another line of uppercase and cursive F, I, W, T, J. And finally, your last line is going to be uppercase cursive J, Z, Y, W, F. Submit to your teacher when complete.